National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, Northeastern Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, Southeastern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, Southeastern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, until 10 p.m. At 9:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Dorothy, or 11 miles east of Island, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Vineland, Atlantic City, Cumberland, Pleasantville, Ventnor City, Brigantine, Northfield, Absecon, Egg Harbor City, Tuckerton, Weymouth, Estill Manor, Surf City, Port Republic, Pomona, Mays Landing, Dorothy, Mizpah, New Gretna and Beach Haven West. This includes the following highways: Garden State Parkway between mile markers 33 and 56. Atlantic City Expressway between mile markers 0 and 20. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Atlantic, Burlington, Cumberland, and Ocean. Here is the regional